iteka cyane vraiment simbona ari ngene ndabivuga Imana yabifashijemwo kandi byagenze neza mwakoze by the way kutwitaho kuza kuraba ibyo twakoze
You were the main cast in the film.
Yes.
How does it feel?
How does it feel? Happiness. I was just going to talk about. I'm just going to say some few words. So I'll say, well, I don't know. This is the first time.
Was it the first time?
Yeah, this is my first time. It's the first movie.
I see.
Yes.
How's the pressure? Are you feeling the pressure
Shooting, yes, because this was the first time, and actually I was shocked because basically I'm an actor I'm more into theater, and this was the first time shooting a movie, and it was kind of fun, kind of interesting, and yeah, I'm just grateful.
Naryohewe cyane niyambitse
Oh, okay. So.
Bon, ni Belizar, sorry, ni Belizar.
Say thanks to her.
Thank you, Belizar. She knows. Alors, nabikunze cyane voir yuko hari abantu bako bashaka gukora ibintu binini nk'ibi. Maman kudos à Lionel.
Hi guys, it's just a privilege to be able to contribute to the Burundian culture and the overall East African culture, because I feel like we have, as artists, we have the duty to be able to detach the people from that European cultural colonization, to make the people love their stories, love their roots, love their art, love their origin, love their family.